AI didn't just evolve, it took over. Since 2021, AI video creation has advanced so fast, you can barely tell what's real anymore.
In fact, the video you're watching right now, it was made from a single prompt. No editing, no voice.
Can AI do all this? Then who made this video?
Yep, those 3 video clips you just saw, every single one was made by AI. And now, I'm going to show you how to use the exact same tool, Google's Veo-3, completely for free. This is your full, step-by-step guide to trying Google Veo-3 without spending a dime. In fact, with this method, you can get access for up to 15 months, totally free. And here's the best part. I'll even show you a trick to cancel your card before the trial ends, so you don't lose a single penny. The 15-month free trial is only available to users in the US, that's why we'll need a VPN. Now trust me, most free VPNs are completely useless. If possible, I recommend getting a paid VPN. Personally, I use NordVPN and it's just $3 a month. But since I know most of you don't want to spend any money, I'll show you a 100% free method. First, go to the description and download Urban VPN. It's totally free. Once installed, open it and connect to any free US server. Next, open an incognito window in your browser and go to the Google Veo student offer page. The direct link is in the description. It'll ask you to sign in. Just enter your username and password. Here's the important part. You'll need to verify your student status with an educational email, one that ends in edu. To get one, we'll use a special site linked in the description. On that site, type in a username you like, click Create, and it will generate a temporary .edu email for you. Copy that email. We'll use it in the next step. Now paste that .edu email into the Google verification page and click Verify. A verification code will be sent to the temporary email site. Go back to that site, open your inbox, find the message, copy the code, and paste it back on the Google page. Then hit Submit. That's it. Your student status is now verified. Final step, payment setup. This is the last step to get long-term access. Google will ask you to enter a payment method. Don't worry. Even though you're entering your card details, you won't be charged a single penny for the next 15 months. But there's one common issue: card declined. This usually happens if your card doesn't support international payments or you don't have a small positive balance for verification. So, make sure your card is ready. If you don't have a suitable card, check out my Telegram channel. The link is in the description. Once you sign up using that method, you'll even receive a $5 bonus. Now, once your card is ready, enter your details, click Save, then click Subscribe. After a few seconds, bingo! You're subscribed. Congratulations! You now have access to Google Veo-3 for the next 15 months. To confirm it worked, go to the top of your profile. You should see a small Pro icon. Now that we're logged in, let's test it out and create a video to see if it's really worth it. And after that, I'll show you how to cancel your card before the trial ends, so you don't lose a single penny from your account. To create your first video, click on Create Video, then type the prompt you want to generate. I'll type in my prompt now and hit Submit. The system will start processing. Give it a few seconds. And boom, our video is ready. Let's watch it together.
I think it's really important to just be yourself. Yeah, totally.
Pretty awesome, right? Let's try creating a second video. Just type your prompt, hit submit, wait a few seconds, and here it is. Another AI-generated video.
So I told my wife, I said, listen, if you want me to listen, you got to start the sentence with breaking news.
Incredible, right? But just so you know, this tool has one limitation. You can only generate 3 videos per day. Now here's how you cancel your subscription so you never get charged. Click the settings icon, then look for Manage Subscription. Click it, and it'll open a page showing your active plan. There, you'll see the Cancel Membership option. Important: only cancel 1 or 2 days before your trial ends. If you cancel too early, you'll lose your Pro access immediately. Here's the best move. Open your phone right now and set a reminder for the day before your trial expires. Then, come back and cancel it. Simple, safe, risk-free. Now you know exactly how to try Google Veo-3 completely free, without losing a single penny. This AI video generator is powerful, but it has limits. If you want to generate unlimited videos, I've got something even better: a Chinese AI video tool with no daily limit. To find out how it works, click the video on the left side of your screen, and I'll see you there.